Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope so you all are doing great. As you know, we have discussed many online earning platforms, many earning videos, and how to register your accounts on that earning platforms, earning applications. These are things we are discussed in our previous videos. Today I am here with a new video and a new platform. We are going to discuss a new platform in this video. But before starting this video, it's a request to all of you to kindly subscribe this channel, also like this video and hit the bell icon button. That will inform you with the notification of all my new videos. So without wasting of any time, we are going to start this video. If you have any query and question about this video, you can ask me in the comment section and I will give you answer as soon as possible. And also share your reviews about these videos in the comment section. So we are going on our computer screen. First of all, you will have to go to your PC, Chrome or Google and type here the clarity in inc.com. This is the very famous website that we are going to Clarity. Clarity. These are also their contact number as 720-410-5280 and their email is support@clarity5280.com. So you can contact them on phone number and the email also. What they are saying about them. We are a founding IT company passionate about small businesses and non-profits. Technology appliance. For absolutely no commitment, we will assess your current IT services, show you ways to save money, increase productivity, and bring stability to the infrastructures of your company. Individualized. Your business is unique and you need support that reflects that individuality while maximizing your bottom line and allowing you to serve your customers and clients well. Custom tailored solutions. We strongly believe that the simplest solution is often the best solution about if there does not end up in you. We will work to find you the right solutions of whatever you are facing. Technology applied. If you wonder if your business is paying too much for your internet, phone services, or equipment, you are not alone. With ever-changing technology, it can be overwhelming to manage costs and maximize businesses efficiently. Many startups and smaller organizations end up overspending due to confusion about where to get resources. Our technology advisor process evaluate your technology use and expenses. We first work with you to understand your business vision and then identify cost-cutting opportunities while improving functionality. We help you navigate available technology, enhancing your return to investment. We review your phones and internet contracts, networks, and the desktop equipment streaming, everything to reduce overhead. So we can help you with the board and telephony, internet service providers, network Wi-Fi performance, hardware purchase and dispositions, and directory services and servers, clouds and the local applications, business processors and the procedures. So custom solutions, not your typical IT company. While many IT consult services for one size fit all packages, we provide tailored solutions especially. Hope so you will understand all about this platform. We will meet in our next video as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching. Take care and